It isn't often that you would want to embed video content within a Flash project, but it is useful in certain situations when using small video segments. This lesson will demonstrate how to go about importing and embedding video files. So here I have a blank project. There's actually nothing in the library, nothing on the stage. And to import a video, I'm going to go to File, Import, Import Video. So this is going to bring up our Import Video dialog, where we can choose a file and then make some decisions around how we want to use it within the project. So I'm going to choose the file through this Browse dialog. And in order to embed a file within Flash Professional, it has to be in the format FLV. So I've got one of those right here. And if you're not actually using an FLV, you've got this quick link to launch Adobe Media Encoder right here so that you can easily transcode any of the files that you do have to an FLV. So let's choose, instead of loading an external video with playback component, to embed the FLV. And you can see right here that we get this warning that embedded video is likely to cause audio sync issues. This method of importing video is only recommended for short video clips with no audio track. So that's fine. That's kind of what we have here. So let's hit Next. And here it asks, well, how do we want to embed the video? We can choose to embed it in a video object, embed it within a movie clip, or embed within a graphic. We're going to embed it with the video object. We also want to place the instance on the stage, expand the timeline. However, audio doesn't really need to be included in this case, so we're going to uncheck that box and hit Next. So here it gives us a rundown that the video we're going to be used is located here. It's going to be placed on the stage, and the timeline is going to be expanded to accommodate the playback length. So let's hit Finish. And you can see that was actually very, very fast. In our library, we now have a video file. You can tell by the little icon here. And our timeline has been expanded to cover the length of that video. And the video is actually on the stage right here. If I go to the Properties Inspector, we can see that we have an embedded video, which we can give an instance name if we want. If we have multiple videos in our project, we can swap them out through here. And it also gives us a little bit of description about how the video is encoded. So let's go in and actually rename this layer to video. And then let's test it out. So Control, Test Movie, Test. And we can see that it plays back immediately. We don't have any video controls when embedding video like this. If we wanted to, we could write some of those through ActionScript to control this video object, but it's not necessary. And so for some projects, you just want to import a little bit of video to play in the background like this. And here we have it looping. It's only a 20-second video. So here comes the big warning. You can see here in Swift history that the Swift that we just tested is 1.3 megabytes in size. So that's pretty weighty. Anytime you want to use video embedded within Flash like this, you'd better make sure that it's a small enough video that it's not going to cause any problems on the user's end. So this has been an example of how to import and embed video files within Flash Professional CS6.